Okay, so I guess if you get into this video, you're on the last bit. We're going to add some Visual Basic or VBA to our spreadsheet just to give us that extra mark from the controlled assessment that says enhance with Visual Basic. So here we go. Right, I'm guessing if you got this far, you're okay with recording macros and adding macros to shapes by right-clicking on the shape and using the assign macro button. Okay, so I'm really just going to talk you through how I did this. First thing I did was I ended up just drawing a shape with quit on it and with the word quit, and then after I did that I went to view and macros and record macro. Only this time, instead of actually doing anything, I recorded a blank macro. I gave it the name quit Excel, pressed OK, and then pressed the stop button straight away. So I did nothing except this gave me a blank macro. Okay, if I go into my view macros, I can find my quit Excel macro. There it is, and edit it. And what I did, when you create a blank macro, it just creates this bit here and leaves a gap for you to put in some Visual Basic code. So what I did was I took the same code, it's identical code that I used on my database, if you did that bit on your database before, and it says if message box, are you sure you want to quit Excel? So open brackets, message box, MSG box pops up a message box on the screen. In brackets, and then in speech marks is the text that you want to appear on. So this here is the text you want to appear on the message box. Okay. This VB yes no is the buttons that you want to appear on the message box. So in this case, it'll be a yes no. And what this says is if the message box has got this writing in and with the VB yes but no buttons on, if you click the VB yes button, then application.quit, and application.quit is the VB code for closing the application down. And then because it's an if, just like in Visual Basic, you have to end the if too. And that little line of code there will say when you hit the button, it'll flag up a message box. You have a yes and no on it. If you say yes, it closes Excel down. If you don't, it just closes. If you say no, it closes the box down. And to test it, we'll just click on the box that says quit. So I assigned the macro to it. Click quit. Oh, you're sure you want to quit Excel? If I say no, it goes back. If I say yes, it'll ask me if I want to save. So I'm going to save that. And Excel is closed down. And there you are. You can see my YouTube channel where I'm uploading the videos for you.